it's Sandy from parkerlings.com, and I thought I would bring you along as I make my favorite summertime drink, sun tea. It's extremely easy. It'll only take a few minutes, and I thought that you might enjoy watching it. So here we go as I make my next batch of sun tea. To make the tea, you will need a gallon jug filled with water. You'll see I'm using a glass jar that was an old kosher dill pickle jar. I just got it a few weeks ago, and the label hasn't come off. It will eventually after being washed a few times. It's important that you use a glass jar rather than a plastic jar because you're going to be steeping the tea using the heat of the sun, and you don't want plastic to leach chemicals into your water. So, gallon jug of water. For a gallon, I use 8 standard black tea bags, which I will just put into the top, and then flavoring as you like. You could use a flavored tea, like peppermint tea would be very good, but what we're using at the moment is this drink powder, this Sambucol drink powder, to give us the additional vitamin C. We were gifted with these, and we find that they taste really good when they're added to the tea. So we'll add this to the tea water as well. Then all you do is you let it steep for a few hours to get it to the strength that you would like, and then you can drink it from there. Or if you want sweet tea, you could add agave nectar or honey, which is what we have and use, or sugar, and just stir it around to dilute it, and then you've got tea. You can pour it out into a cup right from the jar, and keep the jar in the refrigerator, or pour the jar into another gallon jug or pitcher and use it from your fridge that way. So let me get on and show you how I prepare it. I'll open the lid, open the tea bags, carefully put them into the jar, like so. I'm preparing the tea because my dad and I drink copious amounts of it during the summertime. We really enjoy our sun tea. Phil, not so much. He prefers other drinks to tea. Even sun tea he doesn't really like. And it's so funny because he's the Englishman in the house, but he doesn't drink tea. He gets teased about that quite a bit, as you can imagine. So there we go. The tea is in, and I'm also going to put the powder from the vitamin C drink in. This is a black elderberry flavor, but like I said, you could use any flavor. Raspberry is also very good. I've got freeze-dried raspberries that would make wonderful tea. And you see here, this is what gives it a beautiful color. After it has steeped a few hours and is ready to drink, it looks just like this red color. This is one that I made earlier. So then after you've gotten your ingredients in, you just tighten the lid and make sure that it is in full sun to steep for a few hours. I will come back this evening. It will be a hot jar because the water heats up in the sun. So I will carefully remove the tea bags this evening and add my honey, stir the honey in, and then put it in the fridge to be able to enjoy it during our workday tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this quick video about making sun tea. Very simple to do. Just water, some tea bags, a glass jar, and the sun. And then let it steep for a few hours. And once it's done and it's the strength that you think that you would like, bring it in, flavor it, sweeten it if you'd like, put it in the fridge, and enjoy ice cold sun tea the next day. That's all from me. I hope that you have a great day. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.